Hi guys, welcome to the Next Helmets YouTube channel. My name is João and I'm here to show to you how to remove and place the inner lining of Y.Travl. Start by unfastening the buckle and remove the chin strap from the neck roll. Then just pull it to remove it. Then proceed to unattach the pins from the sides. Once you have removed the side padding, you can proceed to remove the top lining. First unattach the rear pins and then unlock the top lining in the eyebrow zone of the APS. To place the interiors, start by placing the top lining. Click the both pins in the rear and then lock the top lining in the eyebrow zone of the APS. To place the side padding, just click these three pins on the sides. Don't forget to place the chin strap before placing it. Don't forget to do it on both sides. And to finish, place the neck roll. Start by aligning with the rear zone of the bottom trim and then place the extremities and apply some force to make sure it is well aligned. This is how you remove and place the lining. Thanks for watching this video. We have many more videos like this in our YouTube channel. Don't forget to check them out.